Good morning everyone. Today we'll start next collar, round collar. Okay, round collar. See, the round collar is looking like this one, right? This is round collar. Okay. Let's see the measurements. Okay, same basic collar, however we are taking the measurement, same measurements for the round collar also. Here the front neck deep is whatever the neck round is there. Okay, whatever the neck width we are getting, neck width plus 0.75 inches, okay, or 0.5 inches. Remaining measurements as it is. Let's see the drafting. Draw one straight line. Neck width, neck round divided by 4 minus 0.5 inches, right? Neck round is 12.5 divided by 4 minus 0.5 inch, 2.62. From the armhole side, we have to mark 2.62. Next one is shoulder marking. For the shoulder marking, shoulder plus 1 divided by 2. Shoulder is 14 inches. 14 plus 1, 15 divided by 2, 7.5 inches. From here, take 1.25 inch down marking. Join these two. Next one is armhole marking. For the armhole marking, chest divided by 6 plus 1 inch. Okay, chest is 33 inches. 33 divided by 6 plus 1 inch, 6.5 inches. From 1.25 down marking, mark 6.5 inches. Draw one straight line. This is called chest line. Now chest round marking. Chest round is chest round plus losing divided by 4. Chest round is 33 inches plus 3 inches losing divided by 4, 9 inches. From the armhole side, we have to mark 9 inches and 1 inch margin. Mark center from here to here. On the shoulder, mark the center. From this center marking, take full length plus 1 inch. Now the full length is 14 inches. 14 plus 1, 15 inches. The full length also draw one straight line. Now waist round marking. For the waist round marking, waist round plus 2 inches losing divided by 4. Waist round is 28 plus 2 inches losing divided by 4. 7.5 inches. From the armhole side on the waistline, mark 7.5 inches and 1 inch margin. Now join chest line and the waistline. Next one is armhole marking. For the armhole marking, Draw dotted line here. Mark the center. Okay, 1.25 inch down marking, and on the chest line take the center marking. Same before, whatever we drafted before drafting, same like that only. From here take 1 inch inside for the front part, and from here take 0.5 inches inside. From 0.5 inch marking take 0.75 inch cross. If your chest is less than 40, take 0.75 cross, and if your chest is greater than 40, take 1 inch. Now join this point. Okay, this is for the front arm. Now the back arm is from here take 0.5 inches. This is for the back arm. Till here before whatever we drafted, same process only. Now neck marking. Okay, for the neck deep, back part is 0.75 inches. This is standard to everyone. And front part neck deep already we discussed. Whatever the neck width is there, neck width plus 0.75 inches or 0.5 inches. Okay, if your neck round is less than 14 inches, then we'll add 0.75 inches. If your neck round is greater than or 14, then we'll add only 0.5 inches to the neck width. Now the neck round is 12.5 inches. 12.5 inches means it's less than 14 inches. That's why we should add 0.75 inches to the neck width. Okay, here the neck width is 2.6 inches. 2.6 inches plus 0.75 inches. So total 3.35 inches. 3.35 inches is the front neck deep. From the straight line we should mark 3.35 inches. Draw straight lines for the front neck deep as well as back neck deep. Done. Okay. Now 0.5 inches is for the stitching mark. Right, from the shoulder line take 0.5 inches is for the stitching. This dot wala line is for the stitching. From this 0.5 marking take round shape. This is for the back part. And this is for the front part. Now if you are observing, back part is closed. Okay, front part we need placket. This is called back placket. Front part we need placket. For the placket, at the armhole side only we should add some margin. Okay, here the placket, same placket, okay, whatever the fabric we are drafting, right, same placket. If you want, how much extra we should take it, how much margin extra we should take it. Okay, here we need to calculate the placket width, how much ready placket you want. For example, ready 0.75 inches. Okay, how much ready you want, based on that will decide the margin. Okay, your ready placket is 0.75 inches, means 0.75 double for that ready, 0.75 plus 0.75 plus margin extra. Okay, margin is 0.5 inches. This is for the margin. This is for the ready placket. Okay, whatever the ready you want, double for that one plus margin extra. Okay, now total how much we are getting? 2 inches. We need to take 2 inches extra for the placket front part. How to take, let's see. See, okay, this is the marking, right? This is the center marking. Draw one center line. From this center line, how much we are getting? 2 inches extra. From here take 2 inches. Okay, take 2 inches extra. Before only we should add 2 inches extra. See, like this we can place it. No need to draft front part separately and back part separately. Directly you need to change the folding, that's it. See, this 2 inches extra you can place like this outside. See, if you are observing, here 2 inches extra for the front part, back part no extra. At a time we can cut it directly, front and back. Let's start cutting. Okay, remove back part. Now front part. This is the front part drafting and this is the back part drafting. Let's see how to draft the collar and how to finish it off one by one. Let's see.